if you haven't using this feature that I'm about to show you, then you guys are messing up with your Hot 60 Pro. This is what I'm talking. Whenever I type here C, it will open me a camera. Now whenever I type W, and it will show me the weather app. You can see that this is showing me the weather application. And whenever I do O, it will open me a YouTube. What if I wanted to open a setting? Just type here like S. Opening a setting is also easy on blank screen. There you go. This is pretty much easy to do. Go to setting first and swipe down. Go to system and accent and gestures. From here you wanted to enable this quick start. Alright, here is all the accent that you wanted to enable or disable. It's up to you. You cannot customize yourself like writing a letter, but you can use this stock default that they have given to you. First thing is that you need to make sure that you have turned on the quick start. After that, you can toggle on or you can start up the application. For example, let's say for this G, you can toggle on any kind of mobile settings like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or flashlight. Also, you can go to start app and try to open Chrome. Let's say whenever I press now G, it will open me a Chrome. Whenever I press like V, so whenever I write like Jet, it will open me a Chrome. Whenever I type like flashlight, let's go. So now let's try to open up the Chrome. Simply gesture the G. There you go. You have opened up the Chrome. It also works with toggling on your hardware related stuff as well. For example, like flashlight. Flashlight, I have set this like V. Let me do V, and flashlight is on. As you guys can see that this is crazy. That's how you set up the quick start on your Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.